Okay, let's see. I should be live right now, and you should be able to hear my voice. And I guess I took care of everything else I had to do, so without beating around the bush, I guess we can get started. This is the first stream in the series where I guess I will be documenting, sharing, live streaming my journey on making a Minecraft mod. 2 Minecraft mods actually. I have an idea for a big, sizable mod. And before I get to doing that sizable mod, I would like to try. I would like to learn Minecraft mod development with smaller mod first. I have an idea for 2. So I don't have anything Minecraft related setup currently. So I guess we can get started, and first thing I would like to do is I like that, learn how to start. I don't have Minecraft installed, and I guess we can get to that later. So let me Google. Okay, I know there are 2 options for creating a Minecraft mod. 2 paths more or less. The first. Okay, so the mod ideas first. I would like it to be first and foremost for Fabric, Minecraft Fabric mod loader, and I have 2 paths to do that using 2 languages, either Java or Kotlin. And I think I will go with Java. I think I will go with Kotlin, mostly because it's newer, shinier. I think I am gonna like it better. And as for my background, so far I've mostly been a web developer up until now, and yeah, I wanna branch out into trying to make Minecraft mods. So let's see, Fabric mod loader, I guess, is the first thing we'll have to visit. And we gotta learn. There's no way around it. Installation instructions, Minecraft server, multi-MC. Okay, I know recently I've been using Modriff Minecraft launcher, so I guess I will go with that. But before we get to it, let's see what do I need to install for creating Minecraft mods. Okay, if you'd like to create a new mod, please see the wiki. Okay, that's light, never. Welcome to the Fabric Wiki, player tutorials, installing Fabric loader, that's not it, modpack and launcher developers. Alright, using MC updater for Fabric modpacks, 80 launcher, mod developer tutorials, creating your first mod. Setting up a development environment, adding a block, adding custom data across restarts, adding an item, and introduction for using Kotlin. Okay, that sounds like all the stuff I'm going to need. Let's see. Okay, so let's get started with setting up a mod development environment. Java Development Kit, JDK, visit Adoptium. For installers, you are professionally can obtain from here. Okay, editors. Okay, for my editor, I'm using NeoVim on Windows. Okay, I already had a window open. I'm using NeoVim, and I'm not sure if it's the best for Java or Kotlin. I've heard people say that you should use JetBrains products, but we'll see how it goes. Starting files all from the template generator. Okay, so I guess the first thing I will need to do is use the online template generator and install Fabric command line tools. Sure. Dino. Okay, Dino is fine. I've used it before. Usage. Okay, fine. Running without installing. Okay, so Java development kit. I'm not sure where to start. Start with Java, installing Fabric CLI, or creating a template. Okay, so let's say I start with a template. It's fine. Loom, line documentation. I guess that's this template mod generator. Okay, let's open this in new tab. Template mod. I'm going to call it a. Was it? It's. Oh my god, I'm blanking on the word. It would be a wheel card. I think that's that. Let me make sure. A wheelbarrow, or what was the second one? A wheelbarrow. What's a wheel card then? Okay, that's not it. Okay, a wheelbarrow. It's fine, and let's first make sure there are no other modes for it. Okay, let me sign in. Give me a moment, I will sign in with GitHub. Okay, I guess it remembered me, that's fine. And mods will borrow. Okay, looks like there isn't anything on Modern. Let's check CurseForge too. Okay, it doesn't seem to be anything. Where's barrels? That's not it. Barrel. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we should be good. Never. It can be called wheelbarrow for now. What's next? Come that example. Choose a unique package name for your mod. The mod ID will be wheelbarrow. Package name unique to me. Use name dot mod ID. Assassin moda dot wheelbarrow. Okay, I think that's fine. Maybe I can shorten it to mod actually. I mean, do I have to? I wonder how many times I will have to type that in. We'll see, okay. Start with assassin mode then. It has to be a unique package name. Okay, I guess that's fine. My future it will be assassin model dot something else. Okay, sure. You want to use Kotlin. Fabric data generation. Recipes from code at build time. I hope I can opt into it later. Doing so would have created the Gradle task run data gen for us and would have made a configuration to run in our IDE. Okay, it doesn't take very long to do the same manually. No. Okay. So I just skip it for now. Split client and common sources. Sure. Break wiki page. Okay, I will do that next. Let's download the template. And let's see what it is. Okay, some Java stuff. Sure. That GitHub. Wheelbarrow template. Okay, so I will rename it to Wheelbarrow. And let's go to And let's extract it here. Okay, we should be good. Okay, that looks fine. Let's create a neat repository here. Sure. And let's make the GitHub repository. Do we have to do anything more here? That's not it. That was the first page. Okay, no. From online tools, Wheelbarrow. Okay, so let's get to creating a new repository. Okay, let's just call it Wheelbarrow. Description. Public, other readme, no. Okay, and if I now create the repository and do this git branch. I forgot what my branch is. Git main, okay. Git branch main, sure, git remote add and git push. Sorry, pushing remote. Git branch means main and git push. Okay, that's not ideal. Need add commit branch. Am I missing something? Maybe it's the branches. Failed to push some refs. Let's see that. I'm pushing comments in GIF. Getting in, get remote add. Just need to commit. And push, git push. Okay, yeah, I think it was the branch name that was the problem. It's fine. Oh, I have workflows. Build Java 1721. Both. See. Setup JDK, distribution. I'm not sure where this is built. Main Gradle wrapper executable. Build, capture. Okay, I think it was going to only, automatically build the project and run and configure tests. This can help catch issues and provides a first line defense. Okay, sure. It's fine. Guess it can stay for now. Okay, we'll explore the code later. For now, let's continue. And the next thing would be to, I guess, install Dino, or set up my development environment. I think Modrinth installs the Java development kits. So let's install it first. Let's see if that's correct. Discover Modrooms, it's the launcher. Get Modrooms up. Okay, let's choose the D drive. Actually, see again if it's going to create a directory for me. Okay, I guess I need to create it myself. So it's going to be D, program files, and Modrooms Hub. Install, and while we wait for it, it shouldn't take too long. Let's go. Oh man, that's going to be loud. One minute, sorry. It started, sign in. Okay, let's enter the code. Let me do that on the second screen just to be sure. Okay, I guess that was the wrong code. Let me do that again. Oh, I need to, I need to use that, sorry. So let's see. This first, and then I'm guessing my phone number. Sorry, my phone, and let's confirm it in the Auth app. They sign in, sure, and okay, that should be it. Log into Modrooms, again with GitHub. Okay, let's skip the tutorial, exit. And let's see. Can I zoom in? No, I don't think I can. Okay, Java locations. Java's installed, and even though I chose the D drive, it's on C, whatever, that's fine. Start recommended. I would think it is already installed. Installed, fine. Java arguments, nothing here. Let's go to 606,144, sure. And that will be the game. Okay, so let's revert it, fine, and let's see. Can I zoom it in? No, I can't. Tab directory, C drive. And I guess I could change it, but whatever, that's fine. That's fine. So, okay, let me check again. What were the Java things installed? These are the Java runtime environments, not development kits. Let me see in the program files just to make sure if they even show up here. No, it doesn't seem like it. Nothing here. Okay, so I guess I will have to install JDK. If you are professional, you can obtain a JDK from here. I'm not. Java IDE. Okay. Meant Intel J IDE. I heard that. It's fine. I wonder if I can choose newer Java. Or can I use just Kotlin? We'll see. We will see. Fabric CLI can be used by mod developers to generate new mods directly from a terminal. If you happen to find an issue, the Fabric CLI requires the Dino runtime. Okay. Usage, and we'll see. This is the init. Upgrade. Okay, but does it do anything other than generating mods? I don't think it does. Okay, so We'll skip it for now. Fine. Things started with data generation. Not here yet. Discord channel. It's fine. So let's see if I need to install Java. In the starting files, template generator. Okay, did that. Excluding the license and readme. Let's see, what do we have? Wonder why there's... Okay, fixed. Let me zoom in a bit for you guys. And what do we have here? Attributes, we ignore. Fine. Client, main, Java, Kotlin, Gradle. License, it's fine. .bat, settings, and some config. Fine. So, manual steps, mod setup, edit, share to set archive, base name and maven group to preferred values. I'm not sure what my preferred values would be. Archive base name, okay. I guess these are my preferred values, that's fine. And add any other dependencies. Okay, I don't think I have any currently. Modding, fabric mod ID change, backporting, IntelliJ IDEA, clips, Visual Studio Code, that doesn't apply to me, Minecraft sources. You can publish the Minecraft source, generate the Minecraft source myself. To generate the Minecraft source, run the gen source Gradle task. Gradle dummy. Okay, I would guess I don't have. Never mind, it's the bat script. Okay, I guess I can run that. Reading the Minecraft source. Adoption. Fine. Okay, these are 21 versions. And let me see what the Minecraft Java version is. So I'm not sure if I have to use the 17 or if I can use the 21. I don't think it's the right page. In Java 8, Java 17. Okay, I mean it is required, so I don't think I can use Java 21 then. 16 or newer, 17 or newer. Can't use Java's backwards. If Fabric seems to allow Java 21. Let's see what Java versions does my Modrinth have. Start. Oh, that's that's definitely not what I wanted to click. Yeah. Let's close that. And back to what we were doing. There's Java 17 and Java 8. Okay, I guess I'll just use Java 17. And to be consistent, Java 17. JDK, Windows. Okay, that would be it, I guess. That's going to take a moment. And what's next? Searching for class. Okay, let's try to run the bat script. Sure if that's same font. And I closed it, my bad. Okay, it's working as intended, I guess. It's only Minecraft and Wheelbarrow. And Gradle.bat. Just Gradle. Okay, let's Google that, I guess. Run from PowerShell script, watch files. We run, how to run. Command can be run due to an error. Can't find the file specified. It's Gradle W, my bad. Java home is not set, and no Java command could be found in your path. That makes sense. I guess I do need to finish installing JDK. Add to path, associate.jar. See Eclipse, Adoptium. Let's see what the motorif path is again. It's in the app data roaming, whatever. Okay, let me make sure I'm doing everything right again. Adoptium is so different in Java. I'm not sure what these are called, but like in Java from the what's it called? Where's the link now? Yeah, Oracle. Adoptium, I've seen open something. This is, I mean, whatever, it's fine. Like it's going to make the difference. So let's go with that. Finish. And do I have Java home now? Still no, maybe it will be fine. Okay, it is fine. Okay, sure. And while that's downloading, let me take a pee break, so I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. Something seems to be happening. Highlights of this release, configure. Okay, don't care about that. And let's see what's next. Actually, let me move that here. Can I do that? I guess I can't. Sorry, I'm trying to move my other Other. Oh, I know. Okay, sorry. My bad. Okay, now it's fine. And now, yeah, it shouldn't show up here. That's fine. Okay, let's keep going. Did do that. And what's next? Dish. That's it. Remapping sources. Okay, whatever that means. Okay, nice. It's finished. So let's see what's here now. Build, loom cache, remapped. Okay, that's. I think that's what I'm looking for. Put it either. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. How do I read it? Generate the sources first. I think I did it. Yeah, I did. Getting started. Try adding an item or a block. Make changes without restarting Minecraft. Okay, that would be nice. So let's see. I'm guessing I'm going to need a Minecraft instance first. So select an icon. Then we select a nice one here. Give me a moment. Image. For some reason. Okay, I got them. And let's make it this. Name Wheelbarrow. Actually, same it. Okay, let's name it Wheelbarrow. It's fine. And 1.20.4 advanced. Anything here? No, I don't think so. Create. And I also like to, I guess, add some arguments. Something. But actually, let's skip those for now. Yeah, let's skip them unless something cool. Arguments. Linear arguments. G1, GC. 4, 8 threads, 4 cores. Actually, these look nice. 4 gigabytes, 4 threads, 4 cores. Sounds good. So let's do 4 gigabytes. That would be 4096, I think. And let's say that install. Yes. Okay, so let's launch it. Or let's not. I guess these arguments won't work. So without them, yeah, it should be fine.
Press enter to enable the narrator.
Okay, I would like to not enable the narrator, and I would like to adjust the music in the sound. Okay, that should be good. Let's send the keybinds also. List players B. Actually, that would be, let's use page up. Open chat. And I need to change sprint to shift and plus. Okay, that's fine. Should be enough. And let's see what's next. Video settings, these are fine, should be fine. And okay, let's go back to the documentation. Reload changed classes and Minecraft in debug mode to apply changes. Okay, I need to find a way to do all that fancy stuff in Vim now. Advice, while Fabric API is not strictly necessary. Development of Fabric Loom or Gradle build plugin issues micropub, which require resetting the cache files. This can be done using Gradle W clean room and clean with stop flag. Okay, troubleshooting, don't care. So what's next? Not too sure what's next. Introduction to Minecraft modding in general. Enabling log4j debug messages. Let's see. Okay, that's a link. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm going to name that just yet. So what do I do now? Main Java, main Kotlin, resources. Wheelbarrow icon. I don't think I have one. Okay, I guess I have a default one. Not sure what that is. Mixins. Client. Here? No, not here. Okay, we will get to it later then. What's next? I think there's nothing here. Let's see, publishing mods. That's not it. Basics. Minecraft modding primer. Note this primer assumes no prior experience Minecraft modding. Modding Minecraft, however, you will need to have a firm grasp on programming in Java to work with Minecraft. See the prerequisites section. If you're coming to Fabric from another mod loader like Forge, the introduction will probably be more at your level. Okay, so that seems to be targeted. Yeah, I think that's it. Targeted at me. We make changes to assets such as textures and block. Okay, but let's get through applying changes without restarting Minecraft first. Restarting Minecraft can take a hefty amount of time. Thankfully, there are tools that allow you to apply some changes while the game is running. Below changes classes. Change classes. In Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA, run Minecraft in debug mode. Sorry, I had to take a drink. To apply changes in code, click the build button in IntelliJ IDEA or save in Eclipse. Note this only allows you to change method bodies. If you do any other kind of change, you will have to restart. However, method bodies, okay. However, if you use DCVM, whatever that is, once class redefinitions for Java, okay, you will be able to do most changes, including adding and removing methods and classes. Reload assets after you make changes to assets such as textures and block item models. You can rebuild the projects and press F3 plus T to apply changes without restarting Minecraft. Okay, I think that's inside the game. And reload data. You can apply any changes made in the data directory, such as recipes, loot tables, and the tags by rebuilding the project and then using the in-game command reload. More specifically, this reloads anything the mod provides as a data pack. Okay. Alright, that's fine. Minecraft source code. Set the scope to project and libraries. Visual Studio Code. Type the prefix. The Minecraft things are not documented, and documentation tutorials get outdated fairly quickly. Okay, great. But where am I supposed to search these things? Class you want to see. Tool hierarchy, method hierarchy, type hierarchy. You're adding any content, there's good chance you need to access registries defined in that net. Keep in mind that everything starts from one main class. Assets, Minecraft, lang. I'm still not sure where these would be. Bar.kt, guys, I need 3-seater. And the Java 2, yes. Okay, Java seems to be somewhat highlighted, and Kotlin, not yet. These are spaces or tabs? Spaces. Okay. Oh, actually, then my bad. Realize I was muted all this time. Okay, so I was learning the Minecraft modding primer. I guess I will read it again then. Okay, let's try to install it one more time. Not sure why it's failing. PowerShell failed with... can I expand it somehow? Term bash is often recognized as a name of cmdlet. Okay. I guess, what if I were to run it from the git bash? Minecraft wheelbarrow and vim, and let's see. Okay, Okay, this time we got further, not sure what failed. Envy and Maven, I think that's it. It's not recognized. Okay, whatever. So let's read this again. This document is meant to serve as an introduction to modding for anyone who doesn't know a block position, I'm guessing, from a block state. You have experience with data packs and want to take your skills to the next level, or you are learning to program in object-oriented languages and want a fun project to help you along, this is the document for you. First, let's start with what you need to know beforehand. Prerequisites for Minecraft modding. You must understand the basics of coding. If you have never touched code before, you must learn how to code first. The basics here means having a firm grasp on variables, functions, classes and methods, and object-oriented programming concepts like inheritance, polymorphism, and object casting. Your search engine is your friend. Okay, I more or less know what these things are. You should have some experience in a programming language like Java or C, C++, C#. Java's syntax is relatively simple to pick up for someone coming from the C family. Okay, I have pretty much no experience in those those languages. I touched Kotlin for like an hour or two, a couple hours basically. So that's why I'm going with that. But that shouldn't be too big of a problem. Familiarity with Java syntax for lambda methods, generics, you should know what these are, and syntactic sugar like the ternary operator will be very helpful, but this is something that a quick learner can pick up along the way. Great, I'm a very quick learner, and you must know how to use the internet to find answers to questions and etiquette for asking for help on forums. I will try my best. Not sure what I can do about the Java language server not installing. Maybe it will be fine, maybe it won't be. Let's see if I go to the Kotlin file now. Nope. Okay. Let's try to uninstall it and install it again. Is install info. Okay, that should be helpful, hopefully. Let's see. Let's see if there's Java. Java is installed and Kotlin is not installed. Three-seater Kotlin already exists. Okay, so let's try to remove that directory. Again, data, and let's see. It's being used. Okay, that makes sense, I guess. Let's try again. Nope. It's not empty. Okay, let's try to remove it manually then. See, and data and three-seater Kotlin. Still open by something, not sure what could be. Okay, I guess that was it, fine. Fine, whatever, Mason, packages, and let's Kotlin language server, okay, whatever, I will remove it. Maybe it's not needed, maybe it is, I'm guessing it will be. I was looking for Java here, and it's not there, so actually let's bring it back. Bin, okay, there's no Java, and share, still no Java, it's fine. So let's see. Let's see, Kotlin should... Nope, not. Okay. That's something, not sure what. Okay. Oh. Okay, but it said that Kotlin is not installed, so try installing it again. Hopefully this time it will work. And let's keep reading the tutorial. Prerequisites. It is strongly recommended to learn Java before diving into the modding world, especially if you don't have prior programming experience. Minecraft and its codebase and mods using Fabric API use more advanced Java concepts like lambdas, generics, and polymorphism. If you don't know all of these concepts, you may have some difficulties modding. There are some online resources that will help learning Java. Okay, right. Let's keep going. Okay, this is still not installed. That's concerning. In your first mod, I did this, kind of, did this. Don't run the idea Gradle task. It is known to break the development environment. Okay, I am kind of confused about how I'm supposed to run the Gradle tasks. Probably okay, that's for Bash, but I'm using the BAT version. Settings, if I can remove it. Build, Loom cache, Kotlin, CS, whatever. Okay, we will see how to. Maybe it will become clear later, that's fine. Community libraries and guides, Fabric modding wiki. Okay, that's nice. Okay, I didn't want to use that. That looks, let me just make sure, like Byte press. That's right, nice. Byte. So let's see. It will be more user-friendly. The Fabric and C wiki. Java knowledge, it's fine. IntelliJ IDEA, Minecraft development plugin. So MCDev for IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, I don't have that. Okay, that's Fabric CLI. Maybe I am going to need it after all. Creating a project, but I already did create a project. Kotlin multi-platform, MCDev project wizard. Okay, I'm not using that. Fabric CLI, didn't use that either. Okay, nice. It finally installed. Great. Let's see. No manual entry, makes sense. Still no manual entry. Okay, I'm guessing I need to install the dependencies. Since Minecraft is in a mod load ready state. Some things like resources may still be uninitialized. Proceed with mild caution. Sure. What would be next? Let's see the Java version. Something different. No, doesn't seem to be. That's fine. Launching the game. Okay, but these are using the tasks in my IDE, and I don't have. Neovim doesn't have these, so Okay, if the run configurations don't exist, if they still don't exist, you can alternatively use the gradle w run client command. Okay, so this is running Minecraft without my launcher. Yes, I won't be needing it, it's fine. So, authentication, hot swapping. When configurations are run in debug mode. Swapping mixins, alright. I think I need to do some googling on how to do all of this in NeoVim. Let's see, page is this? Okay, this is the primer. Let's finish reading the primer. Fabric Loader, a framework for loading modded code into Java-based games like Minecraft. Fabric Loom, which is a build system designed for modding with Fabric. Fabric's language models that allow you to use other JVM languages like Kotlin or Scala to program your mods. Note it is recommended that beginners start with Java since it is what Minecraft is written in and is the easiest language to find help for. The Fabric API, a set of tools that make adding or modifying certain common Minecraft features easier, and the Fabric Installer, a tool that installs the Fabric Loader on an end user's Minecraft installation. I wonder if this task is... Okay, it finished. I wonder where its output goes. Not sure. List of useful resources. Not sure how I got here. And not sure how I got here either. Okay. That was what I clicked. That's right. And what would be next? I guess next I can just chill for a moment and finish reading the primer. To more easily understand what is going on in Minecraft's code, when you mod with Fabric you will also have access to Minecraft's source code. Since Java is a compiled language, we need to decompile the code before it can be read. This turns it from Java bytecode into human-readable Java source code. However, to stop reverse engineering, Mojang distributes Minecraft in obfuscated form. This means that all the classes, methods, and fields in the code have randomized names. You can see this for yourself by opening a minecraft.jar file. Let me go back to zoomed version, I guess. Opening a minecraft.jar file in a zip extractor tool, all the files have names like abc.class, and what's worse, there is no guarantee that an object will have the same name between two versions. It could be called abc in one version and abd in the next. This would make modding really hard, because without names it's hard to tell what different variables do. To fix this, Fabric uses a set of mapping tools to give everything a human-readable name. The intermediary mapper is a program that gives every single object in Minecraft's code a name like field something or method something. Critically, this program always names each object the same thing, so a method that does not change between versions will always have the same intermediary name. Yarn is the final step in the deobfuscation process. Yarn is a Libre, open source community-driven library of names for all the methods and classes in Minecraft. When you look at the source code for Minecraft, any class, variable, or method that has a name describing what it does was written with Yarn. Someone in the community analyzed and decided to name it that. Every time a new update to your snapshot comes out, the community gets to work combing. Let me check. Combing. Okay, that's fine. Combing through the code to see what new objects need names. Not everything in Java codebase is mapped with Yarn. Sometimes you'll see variables that still have intermediary names. If you figure out what they do, you can contribute a name for Yarn. Check out the mappings page for more information about using and contributing mappings. Code structure. Minecraft Java Edition is a huge project with years and years of code built on top of each other. It can seem chaotic because it is, but there are a few key concepts that are mostly consistent across the board. So give me a moment, I need to go and grab myself something to drink. And actually, I will use my fancy background for it. Be right back. Alright, I got myself some water, so let's continue. Registries. Most features, things you might want to add in the game, blocks, items, screens, entities, chunk generators, etc. etc. You see? Not sure how you say it in English. Are loaded into registries when the game is loaded. For example, each item has a single static instance that is initialized when the game starts and is put into the item registry. Okay, sorry for that, I'm back. Where were we? For example, each item has a single static instance that is initialized when the game starts and is put into the item registry. The game uses that instance to determine the properties that item stacks, the memory representation of the items you can hold in your inventory, of that item have. When the properties that item stacks of that item have, okay. You add something to the game, you probably have to register it. There are exceptions to this rule, however, some features in Minecraft are data-driven, meaning that they can be defined purely in terms of data as opposed to code. And decide whether I want to pronounce it data or data. If you've ever wondered why data packs can add some things but not others, this is why data packs can only add data-driven content. Some examples of data-driven content in Minecraft include biomes, textures, some chunk generators, and crafting recipes. In a world with a data pack is loaded, the game automatically adds these features to a special transient registry only used while that world is loaded. If you've developed data packs before, you can integrate data packs into your mods very easily, which makes some content easier to create. And even add your own data drivable content that other people can make data packs for using codecs. Okay, sites. Minecraft's processing is split between two threads, commonly called sides, the server side and the client side. The client side always runs on the player's computer and handles rendering and input. Server can run either on its own as a dedicated server, what you probably think of as a Minecraft server, or in a single player on the player's computer along with the client as an integrated server. Server handles everything the client doesn't, inventories, the world itself, etc. Client and server must agree on certain things, what blocks are in the world, what is inside chests, player position, etc. Since these are handled by the server, sorry, I had to clear my throat. Since these are handled by the server, it dictates to the client what these values should be, and the client displays them to the person playing the game. Everything handled by the client does not have to be told to the server at all. That's what blocks and entities look like, resource packs, and how to draw the world shaders. This is the distinction between client-side modes like shaders, server-side modes, those that run minigames, and both-sided modes, those that add things like machines or new blocks and items. It is important to not call client-only code, i.e. relating to rendering on the server, and server-only code on the client. This is the purpose of the ubiquitous world.isClient that checks that you often see in Minecraft modding. Oh, my voice is not there, sorry. Next steps. Once you've achieved the prerequisites and have read this document, it's time to get started. Check out the introduction to learn about the ins and outs of Fabric as a platform, read the setup document to set up an IDE to mod Minecraft, and then head to the items tutorial to add your first item. Okay, let's say introduction. Yes, I'm gonna zoom out again. Since sidebar. What would be next? Yeah, introduction to modding with Fabric. Okay. Can I zoom again with sidebar? Yes, I can. Okay, it should be better. This is a quick introduction to some common techniques you can use while making Fabric mods. To make mods for Minecraft, you will often have to interact in non-standard ways with Minecraft's code. While Minecraft has increasingly become flexible to changes, it's still not inherently built to be modded. Unlike other modding APIs, the Fabric loader does not overwrite Minecraft's classes files to add more functionality. Instead, the code is injected using the mixin library. However, most of the time you will not use this library directly. Mixins can be fragile and at times can cause conflicts. Therefore, some common functionality has already been implemented by the Fabric API for you. If it doesn't exist in the core Fabric API, often it will exist in a third-party library. Almost every situation, it is preferable to use either the Fabric API or a third-party library over implementing a mixin yourself. Sometimes though, you don't need any of that. While Minecraft's code is not made for modding, it still contains a lot of features you can access without any additional changes at all. This article will go over all the ways you can affect Minecraft in order of preference. Okay, I'm still not sure what that is. I mean, can't open it. KLS sounds a bit like Kotlins. Not sure why it would be Kotlins, but okay. Can I add an editor config here? Let me see. Let's try. And let's see if it's going to work. Wonder why it's not in git ignore. No. We will see if it's an issue or not. So if I were to unindent it and now indent it again. Okay. Okay, it stops now. That's fine. Let's see. Here again. Okay, let's use tabs. Okay, we'll leave that DB here for now, no need to commit, and let's continue reading native Minecraft APIs. If Minecraft already lets you do something, don't reinvent the wheel. A good example of this is the registry class, which lets you add blocks and items without any modifications to Minecraft's code. Minecraft also uses JSON data files for various data-driven features. You can add JSON files to your mod, which are then injected by the Fabric API. For example, block models and loot tables are implemented through JSON files. Okay, block models and loot tables. The Fabric API. Fabric itself, as installed into a client, is split up into two parts. The Fabric mod loader, which loads your mod and calls your entry point, and the Fabric API, an optional library that provides some common useful APIs. The API is intentionally kept relatively small to make porting Fabric to newer Minecraft versions faster. Oh, I'm losing my voice, sorry. You can find out what's included in the Fabric API by looking over its source code on GitHub. The Fabric API contains a lot of common events, event hooks, and general utilities for things like networking and rendering. Third-party APIs. Because the Fabric API is intentionally kept small and focused, third-party APIs exist to fill in the gaps. Mixins allow any third-party library to affect Minecraft's code in the same way as the core Fabric API can. You should use these instead of writing your own mixins where possible to minimize the possibility of conflicts. You can find an incomplete list of third-party libraries on this wiki. Okay. Mixins. Finally, you can use mixins. Mixins are a powerful feature that lets you change any of Minecraft's own code. Some mixins can cause conflict, but used responsibly, these are key to adding unique behavior to your mod. Mixins come in a variety of flavors, in a rough order of preference, adding interfaces, callback injectors, redirect injectors, and overrides. This is not a complete list, but rather a quick overview. Some mixin types are omitted here. Okay. Adding interfaces. This is probably one of the safest way to use mixins. New interface implementations can be added to any Minecraft class. You can then access the interface by casting the class to it. Okay, new interface implementations can be added to any Minecraft class and then aim to cast the class to it. Okay, I'm not sure what casting in Java is. I'm sure I will learn later. This doesn't change anything about the class, it only adds new things and is therefore unlikely to conflict. One caveat, I forgot how to pronounce it. Let's check again.
Caveats.
Caveat, okay. Caveat is that the function signature, name plus parameter types, inject must be unique. So if you use common parameter types, be sure to give it a very unique name. Okay. Callback injectors let you add callback hooks to existing methods as well as on specific method calls within that method. Okay. They also let you intercept and change the return value of a method and return early. Callback injects can stack and are therefore unlikely to cause conflicts between mods. Right? Redirect injectors let you wrap method calls or variable access within a target method with your own code. Use this very sparingly. A target call or access can only be redirected once between all mods. If two mods redirect the same value, that will cause a conflict. Consider callback injects first. Okay, wrap method calls or variable access within a target method with your own code. Okay, so think I get it? Maybe? We'll see. And override. Be very careful with how you use overrides. They replace a method entirely, removing all existing code and conflicting with any other types of mixings on the method. They're extremely likely to conflict, not just with your other mods, but also with changes to Minecraft itself. You most likely do not need to override to do what you want to do. Okay. And let's see what's next. Reading the Minecraft source code. Okay, I saw that. Not sure what it's about. Convention and terminology. Let's see basic conventions. Before starting with Minecraft Fabric modding, it is important to understand some of the key terms and phrases used in future tutorial pages. It's also good to know basic conventions for things such as package structure and mod ID naming. Knowing this early will help you to understand tutorials better and help you to ask better questions when needed. Mod ID. Throughout the documentation, we'll often refer to a mod ID or mod ID in code. Mod ID stands for mod identifier, and it is a string that should uniquely identify your mod. Mod IDs are commonly associated with identifier namespaces of the same name and as such follow the same restrictions. Lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. For example, Minecraft uses the Minecraft namespace. Additionally, a mod ID must consist of at least 2 characters, okay? Oh, sorry, my throat is starting to hurt, I guess. First stream will be shorter, because I'm not sure how much longer I can go for. It's fine. That's okay. I wonder if Modern app has any dev tools. Not sure. Let's see what's next. A mod ID is a compact version of the name of the mod, which makes it short but recognizable and prevents naming conflicts. Conventionally, a project named My Project would be called My Project, and My Project, My Dash Project, or in some cases, My different dash project also works, but dashes in mod IDs can be a slight pain to deal with at times. Citation needed. This mod would register items and blocks using the mod ID as a registry namespace. Let's see what my mod ID was. Maven group. Archive base name. Short, huh? And just to have a reference, let's see the different modders convention, how he does it. The Nick Young really like his mod, so let's see what he goes with. Dot no daemon. JVM args parallel. Okay, he's using 3 gigabytes mod version. I don't have that. I do have that. Mod ID. Okay, I don't have this. Yeah, I skip it. Was I supposed to add it manually? Let's see. Fabric tutorials. Okay, no, not here. Fabric Minecraft. You can see develop. Okay, I'm not sure where that was. I think it was actually in either here or here. Man. No, it's not. It's history. Where was it? Where was it? Fabric example mode. Let's see actually what the example mode looks like. On this, Gradle.properties. That's the same thing I have. I think these. I wonder what these are for. Maybe this is for Forge. I don't think it would make a difference. Mod group. Whatever. I'll stay with this, and I mean, it's not using short name. Let's see, where am I using assassin mode Wheelbarrow? Okay, in a couple of places actually. Oh. Should I use the com prefix? Maybe I should. Let's see some other mods. What other mods could I check? How about iris shaders or sodium? Okay, let's see these two. Source and source. Okay, that's a structure. I'm not sure what type of structure this is. So I guess I'm okay, that's not going to help. Sodium, okay, this has gradle properties. Nothing here. Migrate build script to Kotlin DSL. Okay, maybe that's what. What? No, I don't think that's what Iris was using. Okay. Group, access widener. Com.mojang, Minecraft, net.fabric CMC, or fabric MC. Tasks. See, where could have sodium went? Archives name. Okay, I think that's it. Net, caffeine MC, mods, okay. com.org. Okay, let's see. Another mod. About mod menu. How about entity culling? And how about this? Let's see how it's done. Gradle properties. Oh, that's a lot of properties. But I'm not sure what they would be for. Okay, let's see. Mod menu. Maven group. Okay, Maven is the package manager for Java. As far as I know. And it doesn't have the dark mode, okay. So I'm guessing this would have to be com.assassin mode. Something along those lines, like com. Mode file name. Not sure what's the difference between. He seems to have whole name here. Oh, mod ID. Okay, that's my mod ID. Okay, so better caves and better caves here. Okay, I'm guessing he has Minecraft because he might have other pages. I don't think I need .minecraft here. So let's go com.assassin mode. Wheelbarrow. Okay, and I think means I need to move it on the directory.com. That's file, directory, and move this to let's try again. Okay. Assassin mode, wheelbarrow. Do I have to? Yeah, I'm guessing I do have to move this everywhere. Let's take care of the indents first. And then I will move all of that to come. That come. Okay, neither sounds good though. See a couple other mods though. Okay, there are no properties here. Okay, these are, I think that's why. Nope. Gradle compose. Flags. Okay, I'm not sure. Modern. CurseForge. Not sure where to find the properties here, so let's skip it and let's look for studium options. ME. Okay, that doesn't help at all. Maven archive group. I don't think, and it's the archive group. I think it's supposed to be group name actually. Maven group. Aid to naming conventions. Group ID. Okay, org. Version. And group ID should follow in Java package. Okay, that's a page. Such a naming convention. Okay, let's see. If the domain name contains hyphen, merge it into an underscore. Okay, but what's the difference between com, edu, gov, or org? Let's see, sun.com. Okay, so it would be assassinmode.com, so com.assassinmode. Okay, that's fine, whatever, it can say. So then I need to rename everything. Yeah, I'm not sure why I can't move it in NeoVim. I always forget. Let's try again. Move to com. And this already exists. Misclick. So let's move this to com/assassin mode. Okay, I guess I just can't, whatever. So let's do it in the file explorer. Sorry, I'm not sure it might picked that up. Okay, let's leave that. Build, that's insider, Gradle, wrapper. Okay, so everything is in source Java, assassin mode, wheelbarrow. So I'm guessing I need new directory, com. Let's move it here. Same for everything. Com, move it. Sources, not sure about that. Wheelbarrow, okay, amazing. Okay, whatever. That's fine. So let's see if I need to update anything in the code. Okay, no, and search for assassin mode, not wheelbarrow again. Okay, that's correct. Com, and com. Hopefully there won't be too many errors because of this. Less a bit. So let's commit everything other than the database. Java shenanigans, it's fine, and let's continue. Mod ID, okay. Use a placeholder mod ID and register items and blocks under a placeholder namespace, and you can think of it as a starter template. Public wiki with tutorial as the mod ID. While leaving this unchanged is not dangerous for testing. Remember to change it if you intend to release your project. Tags. Tags are groups of blocks, items, or fluids with similar properties, i.e. Minecraft saplings contains all of the game's saplings. Information about what to call tags for your mod can be found here. Okay. Read more on what tags are on the Minecraft wiki. Sure. Actually, let's go back and zoom it for later. Entry points and initializers. Fabric loader uses fabric.mod.json to detect and load your mod. Mod usually contains at least a fabric.mod.json. I think there was such a file somewhere, and I'm going to surely found it. Okay, it's here. Wheelbarrow.client.mixins.json. Okay, JSON. Okay. Mod usually contains at least one initializer class, which should implement one of mod initializer. Interfaces are all in the net.fabricmc.api package. Okay, the naming convention checks out. In order to change or add initializers, you need to edit fabric.mod.json and find entry points block. Okay, don't have that. Okay, that was because I was in the wrong file. Makes sense. Main client Kotlin. Okay, and mixins environment client. Okay, all of this makes sense. Suggests version map for dependencies. A version range or an array of those that match specific. Zoom out a bit. That match versions. The following variants are supported. Okay. Oh, depends. Makes sense. Mixins. Okay. Wonder if the did I not move things in main? I may not have. Okay, so let's fix that. Let's spin it, because I'm guessing I will be visiting it a lot. Let's spin the wheelbarrow. And let's see, this is source main Java new Kotlin. Okay, I will come here and the resources. That's okay. I think you can hear some background noise. Sorry for that. But there's not much I can do about it, so let's continue. No, man. That's unfortunate. Sorry. Someone is cutting something in the kitchen. A mod usually contains. Edit them accordingly. Main. Okay, that's this. Main block is for mod initializers, client block is for client mod initializers, and server block is for server mod initializers. Main is for. Okay, so I guess the main is for both. When implementing mod initializer interfaces, you must implement an oninitializing or oninitialize client for client and oninitialize server for server function. So that would mean that these have yes on initialize, that's what that error is about, and method load word. Okay, yes, here decorators are used instead, and this is Java version. I don't. Okay, this is client, initialized client, and here I'm guessing decorators again. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Alright, so smoothies. And let's continue. Also, it's a block called initializers for more information. Maven group and package names. Okay, according to Oracle's Java documentation, they are written in all lowercase to avoid conflict with the names of classes or interfaces. The reverse of your domain name is used to start the names. Read more. Okay. We read that already. Let's see what's next. Server and clients terminology. Registries, development tools. Okay. Oh, my throat really hurts. Let's get through the server and client terminology. Minecraft uses the client-server model. That is, users install the game client and connect to a server to play the game. Minecraft allows mods to target either the Minecraft client or the Minecraft server, also both at the same time. The concept of client-server in Minecraft is ambiguous and may refer to either physical or logical sites. Terms client-server may be used to distinguish the different distributions of Minecraft client versus a dedicated Minecraft servers, which are called physical sites. However, a Minecraft client hosts its own integrated server for single player and LAN sessions, which means that a Minecraft client also contains server logic. Therefore, client server may also be used to distinguish parts of the game logic, which are called logical sites. For both types of sites, there's a client and a server. However, a logical client is not equivalent to a physical client, and a logical server is not equivalent to a physical server either. Okay, logical client is instead hosted by a physical client. The logical server is hosted either by a physical server or a physical client. Okay, that's what we just read. Logical sites are central in the architecture of both distributions of Minecraft, therefore an understanding of logical sites is vital for any mod development with Fabric. Physical sites. Oh, sorry. On the physical sites or the environment refer to the two distributions jars of Minecraft. The client, when the vanilla launcher launches, and the server download available on Minecraft.net for free. Okay, makes sense. Physical side refers to which code is available in the current environment. Client and server environment are minified distributions of the same program containing only the required parts of the code. In Fabric, you can often see annotations like @environment, environment type client. Okay. Okay, I get it. It indicates that some code is present only in one environment, in this example, the client. Fabric.mod.json and the mixin config, the client server, refers to the environment. Fine. Each physical site ships classes used by its entry point and the data generator classes with entry point net Minecraft data main. Logical sites. The logical sites are responsible for the actual game logic. The logical client does rendering, sends player inputs to the server, handles resource packs, and partially simulates the game world. The server handles the core game logic, data packs, and maintains true state of the game world. The client maintains a replica. Okay, that's all just descriptions of how client and server works. Sorry again. Oh, man. These replicated objects allow clients and servers to perform some common game logic. The client can interact with these objects while the server is responsible for keeping them in sync. Usually, to distinguish objects on the logical clients from the ones on the logical server, you access the world or the object and check if its is client field. It can be used to perform authoritative actions on the server, such as spawning entities, and to simulate actions on the client. This technique is necessary to avoid desynchronization between the two logical sites. Detailed look into all sites, physical client, okay. And the physical server, logical client, logical server, okay, I don't think I need to read that. And communication. The only correct way to exchange data between logical client and server is by exchanging packets. The packets documented wiki.vg, wonder what that is. Okay. That's something I've never heard of. Mods can add packets to transfer custom information between two logical sites. Packets are exchanged in memory for a logical client connected to so integrated. Okay, makes sense. And over networking protocol otherwise. Logical client sends client to server. Logical server sends server to client packets. All misconceptions. Most of the time, mods exclusively target the physical server. Exclusively targeting the physical server also work on logical servers inside of physical clients. However, modders for physical servers usually have assumptions which do not apply to integrated servers, including but not limited to only one logical server instance exists on one game run. Okay. The world and entities should always calculate the game logic. The scan field of the world is always false. And remote control, resource pack sending, and sorry. Oh man, I felt better. Are present. These assumptions need to be corrected to make mods that run on logical servers. Okay. Conclusions. Possible combinations of physical and logical sites. Logical client, physical client, singleton. Okay. Physical server, physical client, logical servers. Fine. Okay, so we got to server and client side terminology, and next would be registries. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry, but my voice is really not there. So I'm guessing that's going to be it for today, and we'll come back to it tomorrow. Some stuff was done here, that's fine. I mean, some stuff was done today, and other stuff will be done tomorrow. Thanks everybody for watching, and see you.